Always remember, loves, self-confidence is always beautiful.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This your girl Africa Love back at you with another video. I know it's been a minute, but your girl been busy. I graduated cosmetology school. Hey, y'all, I'm excited and I'm ready to start my new endeavors out here in the world. So go ahead and tune in if you want to see this pretty fall look that I just did for you. Something simple, something cute, and something to go ahead and do for yourself. Give your girl a shout out on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat at Africa Love 94, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell whenever you want to see a new video. Thank you guys again. Mwah.
All right, y'all, let's get right into it. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Rose Base Serum for my primer. I really like it. It's pretty decent. It doesn't leave like a film or anything sticky. I didn't really feel any residue and it wasn't too tight, so I liked it. Now I'm going in for my Cara Beauty palette and I'm going to be using a soft sable brown as my crease color. And I'm going to be putting that a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes. So just to give the illusion of a larger eye, I'm going to put it over my crease. Now I'm going to go in with a dark chocolate color. I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of the eye and a little bit in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. Not too much, just a little bit. Now I'm going back into that Cara Beauty palette and I'm going to grab a soft beige color and put that on top of the concealer in the center of the lid. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to take a wet concealer brush and I'm going to pack some soft glitter on. It's more like a soft sable, beige glitter, whatever you want to call it. But it was pretty decent to put on the lid, not too overwhelming. Now I'm going back in with that chocolate brown and I'm going to smooth out that glitter by pulling the brown towards the glitter. Y'all don't mind my faces. My homegirl was over here with me and we were cracking up watching movies and stuff. But I'm going to take some actual glitter from my Clean Color palette. I forgot which one it was, but I got it from Miss Bramani's in Rock Island. I'm just going to take some of that with a wet concealer brush and pack it on. Not too much, and I'm just going to focus on the center of the lid. Let's wing her out, baby. Cam Cam. Now it's time for one of my personal favorites, color correcting. So I'm using an orange and I'm basically going on the bottom half of my face. I got a lot of hyperpigmentation. If you don't know what that is, I recommend you going to see a dermatologist or looking it up. I have a lot of acne scars, so I use that orange basically all over the bottom of my face. Now we're gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty matte foundation. I love this foundation, y'all. I usually wear Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and that stays for me a lot. And usually I don't have to use a color corrector with that, but since we're going for a fall look, I want absolutely no marks. So Fenty Beauty it is. It's L'Oreal True Match Time, y'all. I love this foundation powder. It's perfect for me. I've been using it since I was in high school, and I ain't got no problem with it. Now we're using LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight. Ooh, girl, fix your face. Using my E-Band banana powder, we're gonna do a slight bake. I'm taking a black liner pencil I just got from the beauty supply for like $1. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. I don't go directly on my waterline because I have sensitive eyes and I will start crying on y'all, G. But after that, I'm going to take that chocolate brown that I was using in the Cara palette. And I'm going to smoke out that liner with that chocolate brown. A shout out to my best friend, Springfield's very own producer. This is his beat. Y'all hit him up on Facebook at Play It Den Rico. That's Play It DEN Rico on Facebook. I don't have to go into too much detail about this. Contour, blush, highlights, all in that motion. This is the part I could not wait to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all how to get a ombre lip when you don't have all the tools. So what I did was I got a lip liner kit from Walgreens for like $5. I'm going to use that lip liner and I'm going to take that chocolate brown once again that I was using in that Cara Beauty palette, and I'm going to put it on the corners of my mouth and just pull it into the middle. When you're done, clean up the excess with some foundation. I'm going to take a nude matte lipstick and I'm going to put that right in the middle of the lips and I'm going to blend that out. Excuse my my lips while I'm trying to blend everything out. All right, just to be a little extra, I got a shimmer nude, and I'm gonna put that on top of the regular nude lipstick. And that's basically all you do to get like an ombre lip. It comes together. You can put a little lip gloss on it.
Thank you guys very much one more time. Go ahead and follow your girl on Facebook and Instagram at AfricaLove94. Thanks for the support, everybody. Bye.